Today's video, going to be replacing the carrier bearing and the U-joints on this 89 C1500. And the reason why we're changing the carrier bearing, you can see all that play in there. And the reason why we're changing the U-joints is all that play in there. I don't know if it's due to wear, but the 11mm feel a little bit tighter than the 7/16. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the 11. $50mm fits better than 5/8 on this one. Now the carrier bearing is off. I got a drain pan under the tail shaft. We're going to disconnect it. You can see this one, it lost all its grease, so it just burnt up. And there you go, here's your old U-joint. Probably lost its seal, then the bearings slowly started wearing down, and then they all just came out. When I was looking it up, there's a bunch of different U-joints for it. It all depends on what style truck you have. This one is the extended cab with the 8-foot bed. There's different ones because there's single cab short bed, 2 U-joints, 3 U-joints. You're gonna have to look up for your specific truck. For the center one, 30.16mm, which matches this one, 30.16, the Moog 331. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the opposite on the actual drive shaft. So here it is all finished. Alright, got it set up. It's holding onto the back side of the bearing. And I got space for it to drop. Now we're going to go ahead and press it out. And there you go. Here's your old one. As you can see, this one's the correct one. On Rock Auto, part number is DS6056. Inch and a quarter pipe. For some reason, the new ring is too big, so we're going to go ahead and use the old one. Alright, good to go in the middle section. Have the two half moons parallel to the ground, and it's easier to put it on and kind of hold it. When I first installed it, I forgot the retainer clips, so make sure you put those on before you try to put the drive shaft in. From what I found online, it says 18 foot-pounds. Can't get the torque wrench on there, so you gotta go old school and go by feel. That's how you replace a carry bearing and a U-joint on these 1500s. Hopefully this video helped you. You'll have a good one.